Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, come on in, okay? This is the place where I do my hair, okay? Hair, do a little bit of beauty. I basically just pull myself together here, and I would love for you to join the family, to go on these journeys with me, okay? And those who have already subscribed, who are already a part of the family, you already know the journeys that be going on. You know what I be getting into, okay? And I'm so glad to have you back with me here today. Now, I'm gonna be doing like a nice cornrow tutorial, okay? But it's not your traditional like straight backs, okay? I just decided to jazz it up a little bit. And if you want to see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to braid my hair. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get into this because I know I'm giving you guys very much, you know, Polar Express vibes, you know, little girl. But anyway, my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, and detangled. All I have in here right now is leave-in conditioner. My hair is like bone dry, so we just gonna see what happens. Let me go ahead and take these down. So I went ahead and took those 2-strand twists out so I can begin the braiding process. I decided this was gonna be a middle part type of cornrow style, so you see me here just establishing that middle part so we can get down to business, okay? So we can cornrow this hair, all right? Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and blow my hair out because I think the braiding style will be a lot easier. So let me go do that. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and blew my hair out because I think it's gonna be easier for me to style my hair with my, you know, my hair blown out. I use my Easy Detangler blow dryer brush. If you have not seen that tutorial, definitely check that out. And so now we're gonna get started. So I went ahead and got that section out of the way, just twisted it down so I can focus on, you know, the main hitter here. So I went in with my wide tooth comb just to detangle everything to make sure it was ready for braiding. So you see me here just separating that big section in half so I can start those braids, okay? I think y'all gonna really like this one. Just stay with me. Y'all gonna love this one, okay? You see me going ahead and take that part all the way down the back. What I'm doing here is just twisting that other section out of the way because we're not gonna worry about that right now. Make your sections. All right, so I went ahead and parted my hair. Y'all saw like this all the way down the back, and I've added some clips, and I went ahead and braided it just in case I caught some hairs. I wanted to make sure everything stayed in its own section. So I got a little bit of curl activator cream. Just more so using it as a moisturizer since my hair is dry. Not necessarily trying to activate some curls, but I like to use it as a moisturizer. My goal is to braid along this line here so this can be nice and sleek. That's the goal. Going with a little bit of olive oil. Just seal it in and for the sleekness and the shine. Oils are not moisturizers, they're just sealants. And so primarily that's what I use my oils for, just to seal everything in. Gotta go in with my favorite, but I'm more so just focusing it right there on the part that has to be really, really sleek, okay? So y'all see me here, just cornrowing my hair straight back. And like I said, I'm trying to braid on that bottom part line so I can have that sleekness coming down from that middle part. And so that's all that I was trying to do here, braiding that hair straight on down the back, okay? Boom, here is the back view, just taking it all the way down to the nape of my neck, okay? And then we get to the end. Make sure you detangle your ends so that your hang time can be nice and detangled. All right, now that we got to the end, just go ahead and braid down the end of your hair. I went ahead and just braided my hang time all the way down to the ends. And take a little bit of the styling foam and just curl the ends. I still want to keep the length, but just like the ends curl a little bit. All right, boom. So time to establish that second braid. So I wanted to be super jazzy here and do like a curved part around the side of my head. And so that's what you see me doing here, trying to just get that together. And then I went ahead and separated that larger section of hair so that I can create like that curved braid, have a place to go, and then that other braid will have a place to go as well. So you see me just parting it all the way down the back. Boom, I got all the parts established, and y'all, we almost ready to braid, okay? We just gonna section some hair out the way because we don't want no foolishness, we don't want no tangles, we don't want nothing in the way. And I'm getting ready to do that second braid right now.
All right, so for this one, I'm going to braid on the bottom part line. I know it's a little difficult to see right now because my hands are in the way. So I'm still trying to create that sleekness up top from each braid, but stay on the part line down the bottom.
All right, and I went ahead and take that second braid all the way down to the nape of my neck, just so I can braid that hang time, so we can be done with this second braid, okay? This style is already coming together. I know y'all see it. So now that we're at the end, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some of this styling foam just to get this end to curl. So all I have to do now is cornrow this one. Now I hope I can replicate everything I just did on this side. All right, so I went in to finish my third braid there, right between those two cornrows I already have established. And this is just a simple straight back, nothing too complicated, but you know, it really sets everything off. It's just like, okay, sis, like I got some mad skill here. At least that's what it looked like, right? That I got some mad braiding skills, right? Go ahead and detangle your hang time, so those hanging braids can be nice, sleek, and just looking good, okay? Looking good uniform. And that's what we are right now. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and did the one right next to it, tried to create that nice sleekness right there in the middle, and tried to make them even. But like, you know, they might not be identical twins, but they're cousins. So we just gonna keep going, okay? All right, so now the hardest one is gonna be to try to recreate this little curve thing to make it match, okay? I might have like messed myself up with this one. What was I thinking? You know, trying to get all jazzy like this. I don't even know how to part it on this side. Oh gosh. Y'all think I did it? I think I did it, y'all. I think I got them to match up. Okay. Okay, I got them to match up. So this is the last one, y'all. All right, y'all, here we are just finishing that third braid. So, you know, we can just finish this style off, right? That's the idea, finish it off. Okay, y'all, so I thought I was done with my style, but I got to promenading in the mirror and posing, and I hated it. Like, I don't really like this. I don't think this part is gonna last long. It's gonna get fuzzy. So I went ahead and did two braids and brought them together. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did it, okay? And see, that's the wonderful thing about doing your own hair, because you can look in the mirror and be like, I don't like it. And you can go back and fix it. And so I'm going to go ahead and take this loose so we can fix this so I can be out here looking cute, okay? So y'all, I hated it, so I got to fix it, okay? So what I did was part it on that second braid that you see there on a diagonal. Now, if you are enjoying this video, okay, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video, okay? Like, I know you're enjoying it, so go ahead and subscribe, all right? So we're going to get that hair out of the way so we can fix what I got going on. Basically, split it down the middle. And like I said, I parted it down the middle, and we about to make those two braids come together as one, okay? So I braided that back braid kind of diagonal going to the front of my head. And then that second braid from the front coming back to meet that forward diagonal so we can make it one whole braid, okay? I think this is gonna look a lot better. It's gonna last a lot longer, and it's just gonna look good. I feel it. I feel it in my spirit. It's gonna look real good. And then I went ahead and just finished that braid all the way around my ear down to the nape of my neck. Don't forget to detangle those ends, y'all. All right, y'all, time to get this styling foam up here to make sure everything is nice and sleek, honey. So when it dries, honey, it's gonna be crisp and just like that, okay? Get all them little flyaways. Make sure these edges lay down. But I don't want to take it down to like the ends of the braids because I want to retain that length. I don't want to shrink up. Tie our scarf up here, honey, and let it dry. And y'all see that? Y'all see that braid? Y'all see them braids? Did the style come together or what? Look at the back of that hair. Look at the back, okay? Look how nice, sleek, shiny, and uniform everything is.
First of all, y'all see this hang time though? Do y'all see this hang time though? Oh yeah, y'all see this hang time though? Yes, these shirts turned out pretty nice. Y'all see this hang time? Yes. I'm gonna slang these 6 braids, honey. Slang them, okay? I am impressed. Do y'all ever have those feelings when you're just like literally impressed with yourself? Like impressed with your own skills? Like this one turned out really nice. I'm impressed with myself. I got to give myself a yes. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my cornrow tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like it, comment down below, and let me know what you think, okay? Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What are you doing? And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.